Hi there, Scott Melgren, SkipperBud's, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. One of our newest listings is 2016 Tahoe 2150. A nice Mercury 154 stroke on the back. See, it's got a nice trailer, swing-away tongue. Does have a spare. It is a tandem axle trailer. We'll go jump up on inside here. It does have a nice ski tow pylon. See, great layout. Lots of room. You can see it's got a stereo control on the stern. Nice little walk-through area here. Nice front deck. There's a ladder up front here. Boat's in great shape. No rips, tears, anything in the upholstery. So it's got the nice kicker stereo, plenty of storage. Nice ski locker down below. It's come with a full bimini top and a table. Boat is rated actually for 11 people, so plenty of room for all your friends, family to get out and enjoy the day with you. Thanks for taking a look. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call.